Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Hanifatihah binti Muhammad Lazim and my metric number is H21A2422. So, for my individual assignment, I decide to choose a cardiovascular system. In my video, I will present a basic understanding of the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is the transportation system in the body. The major structure that make this possible are the heart, blood vessel, and blood. Simply, but the heart pumps to the blood in the order to move nutrients through the blood vessel, to nourish and remove the metabolic waste from the body. The arteries capillary are connected to the venous capillary. The artery side of the capillaries is a dropping of oxygen and nutrients to the body cell. The venous side of the capillary is picking up metabolic waste from the body cell. Heart have two pathways, are the pulmonary pathway and systemic pathway. In human organism, right side of the heart push the blood through the pulmonary circle so that it can be oxygenated in the lung. The left side of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body. The blood is returned to the heart via the systemic pathway. The heart is a muscular organ that has four hollow chambers. It consists of the two atria, which are the upper chambers, and two vesicles, which are the lower chambers. Now, I will show you the other important part of the heart. This is semilunar valves. Semilunar valves prevent expelled blood flowing back into the heart. Bicuspid valve is more commonly called the mitral valve. It separates the left atrium from the left vesicle. All valves function the same. They are flat of very strong tissue that open one way to allow blood to flow in one direction. Septum. The septum serves to divide the left and right side of the heart. Cardiac muscle. The walls are made of a cardiac muscle. Tricuspid. Tricuspid valve is one of the four valves of the heart, which is situated between the right atrium and the right vesicle. Now, we covered the structure. Let's actually see how the blood flows through the system. We start with the deoxygenated blood returning to the heart via inferior vena cava and the superior vena cava. This blood empties the right atrium. Then contract the blood through the tricuspid valve into the right vesicle, then contract ejecting the blood through the pulmonary valves into the pulmonary arteries. Now remember, this is artery because the blood is going away from the heart, but it's also blue here because this is the deoxygenated blood. The pulmonary arteries press and carry blood to the left and the right, like to the receive oxygen and release carbon dioxide after the blood leaves the lungs. The oxygenated blood is going to return to the heart via the pulmonary veins. Again, remember that these are veins because they carry blood throughout the heart, but the red here because this is now oxygenated blood. The pulmonary veins empty the blood into the left atrium. The left atrium contracts the blood through the bicuspid valves into the left vesicle. The left atrium contracts the blood through the bicuspid valves into the left vesicle. The left ventricle then contracts, ejecting the blood through the aorta and into the rest of the body. Now I want to give you the facts about your heart. Your heart pumps about 5 quarts of the blood every minute, and it beats about 100,000 times in one day. That's about 35 million times in years. So there you go, that's basically everything that you need to know about the cardiovascular system. I hope you can understand all about my explanation and can enjoy my simple video about the cardiovascular system. So that's all from me. Bye, assalamualaikum, and have a nice day.